Hi everyone, this is the final topic from the unit electricity 10th standard CBSE. So here we'll be learning about what is electric power. In the last video regarding what is the heating effect of electric current, I have mentioned what is power as. So there I have written VI. By the end of that video I have written as I square RT or V square by R into T for heat energy. Okay, well, instead heat energy we can also say the word as electrical energy or the work. Okay, so from here power is nothing but rate of doing work, but since it is a electric circuits, we'll be taking rate of consumption of energy. Consumption of energy. So here I'm writing P is equals to W by T. So this formula will become I square RT by T, which is I square R, or V square by RT by T. T goes off, it becomes V square by R. So I have three formulas for power: 1, 2, 3. Therefore, power P is equals to V. So I will be writing this as small a. Okay, va? V I square R or V square by R. These are the three formulas where you can use for solving problems depending on the data they have given. Power generally taken as a product of potential difference and electric current. Now let's see what will be the unit for this. Unit is power is volt into what is I? Current, ampere. Volt into ampere, and this unit is watt. Okay, va? Or you can read this as 1 volt ampere as VA. Okay, va? So the definition for watt will be power is said to be 1 watt if a current of 1 ampere will be flowing through a resistor or a circuit of 1 volt of potential difference. So 1 watt is 1 V into 1 A, 1 volt ampere. And this what you can also write from energy per time. What is your energy here? Electrical energy. Joule per second is also watt. But since this watt is very smaller unit, we'll always go for the practical units. The practical units for power, electrical power is kilowatt. Kilowatt, which is 10 power 3, 1000 times of a watt. Okay, well, then what is for electrical energy? The practical unit for electrical energy is kWh, kilowatt hour. So it is kilowatt hour. Okay, wow. And this kilowatt hour we use as unit. The word unit is used to represent the electrical energy consumed. It is not only electrical energy but consumed electrical energy. kWh, kilowatt hour, a unit. For domestical purposes, we will always use the word as unit. Now we'll see 1 unit or 1 kWh is equals to 1 kilowatt into 1 hour. Can I write like this? So what is 1 kilowatt as? 10 power 3 watt into 1 hour as 3600 seconds. So it is 10 power 3 2. 36 into 10 power 5 watt second. What is watt second as? 36 into 10 power 5 joules. So 1 kilowatt hour, this value is very important, and this can also be written as 3.6 into 10 power 6 joules. Okay, for now just remember the practical unit for electrical energy consumed is 1 kilowatt hour, and that value is equals to 36 into 10 power 5 joules. In order to know what from where these formulas have come from, you can go through my video. The link is given in the description. Comment for more doubts or more explanation for the other topics. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.